Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, please bear with the vision at the back kasi walang init. Hapon na. Kaya dito lang ako nag-live video. By the way, my next video is about Happy Savers Club or sa mga savings account for the kids. Yung ages, I think, 17 to 6 yung as the BSP regulations yung sa mga pambata. So by the way, I am Mr. Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, the next video, as what I've said, na it will be another video for the kids, which is the Happy Savers Club or yung savings account para sa mga pambata. By the way, I think you know na the maintaining balance and their products, meron silang passbook with ATM, sabay. Hindi siya split that time. Tapos, meron silang, I think, 50,000 insurance coverage kung maaksidente yung bata, insured po yung kids ninyo that time. Tapos, meron silang in-endorse that time, if I'm not mistaken, yung before first closure, si Lea Salonga. Yung mga grandparents natin na hindi pa senior that time. Or, maliliit pa sila that time. Then, yung second opening, kung hindi ako magkakamali, si Camille Prats ang kids endorser that time. Diba, nakita natin sa TV, hawak-hawak pa niya yung passbook. Siya po yun. Just in case kung magkaroon ng third reopening na Blanco Filipino, of course, we will hire another kid endorser with improvement, syempre. With improvement. Hindi na pwedeng pumalpak. Remember, nadapa na second time. This time, no more. No more dapa. Kasi, remember, may slogan po itong bank. Subok na matibay, subok na matatag. For the meantime, ito ay nangyari is more on lang siya yung nagkaroon ng technicalities kaya nadapa. Kaya second time closure. Anyway, that closure is just only temporary because the truth will come out. You know what I mean. So, yan. By the way, Happy Savers Club is our remarkable memories for the kids. So that kids, once they grow older, at least meron silang naipon. And that's a great contribution to the Philippine economy. That's it. Okay, so this is my simplest video. Hindi siya umabot ng 8 minutes beyond. 8 minutes below. Okay, so thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next Bangko Filipino related videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. To all viewers, good afternoon.